almost done. And then you get your candy. Yeah, we were doing our weekly cooking lesson, and every week we have 5th grade buddies come in and they partner with one of our classmates, and they work on communication skills and get to make an easier cooking recipe that normally is something the students can make at home and not super complex.
So like Levi loved this one, he would make it again. And these were all the ingredients so the parents can see how to put it together.
The parents absolutely love it. They can just see the joy in their child's face, and they just love that they're getting that exposure to gen ed peers as well as cooking and using those multi-step directions that they are typically working on at home. This lesson is making a positive difference because it is incorporating life skills that they can use now and later on in life.